Want to add calendars to your iPhone? This video shows you how to add Google, Outlook, and other calendars, plus transfer them between your iPhone and computer. Part 1. How to add a new calendar on iPhone. Open the Calendar app on your iPhone. Tap Calendars at the bottom, tap Add Calendar, and enter a name. Choose an account and color. Tap Done to create it. Part 2. How to add Google Calendar to iPhone. Open Settings and tap Calendar. Go to Accounts, Add Account. Select Google and sign in. Enable Calendars and tap Save. Part 3. How to add Outlook Calendar to iPhone. Open Settings, Calendar. Tap Accounts, Add Account. Select Outlook.com and sign in. Turn on Calendars and tap Save. Part 4. How to add a shared or subscribed calendar on iPhone. Way 1. Add a shared calendar on iPhone. Open Calendar and tap Calendars. Tap Add Calendar, add Shared Calendar. Enter the person's name or email. Select the calendar and tap Add. Way 2. Add a subscribed calendar on iPhone. Open Settings, Calendar Accounts. Tap Add Account Other. Select Add Subscribed Calendar. Enter the calendar URL and tap Next. Save the calendar. Part 5. How to import calendar from computer to iPhone. Need to transfer calendars between your computer and iPhone? Mobikin Assistant for iOS lets you easily import, export, and manage calendar data without iCloud syncing. Steps to import calendar from computer to iPhone. Step 1. Download and install the program, then open it to prepare for the connection. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer. When prompted on your iPhone, tap Trust to allow the computer to access your device. Step 2. After your iPhone is recognized, choose Calendar from the left sidebar. The program will load and display the available calendar information on your device. Step 3. Click the Import button. Select the calendar file stored on your computer and confirm the transfer. The selected calendar data will be added to your iPhone.